How to play Railroad Inc. There are 7 rounds. At the beginning of each round, the dice are rolled. Next, the result of the dice are drawn on your player board. Railways or roads must connect to an exit or an already existing network. There are 6 special routes available. During a game, 3 of them can be used in 3 different rounds. After 7 rounds, the game is finished and the points are counted. You score points for exits that are connected with each other. You also score points for your longest road and longest railway. And lastly, you get a point for each of the 9 squares in the middle that has been used. A point is deducted for each open road or railway that isn't connected to an exit or the side of the board. And that is